Okay, so let's take a look at how to install Postman API tool. So type in Postman API, right? So you can see the official site. Here you see the official site where you get to use the product, right? So here it has the cloud version that it allows you to see, right? So it also has the desktop version. So if you go to what is Postman, you get the idea for the tool. So basically it's API testing platform, and you can sign up and then download the tool or simply use the cloud version. So what we're going to do is go to Snapcraft. Here we will type in Postman and search. Here you see the Postman officially is listed as Snap, and now we will try and download the stable version. So select the version that you wish to install, choose that, and then get the available command. Copy this and then go to the terminal. Here we will paste this, and after pasting use tab so you get to the end of line. Hit enter, and after that here you see the Snap will start to install. Now it didn't ask me for password because this is something I already did while doing sudo apt update, so it won't ask me again while using sudo snap install postman command. And here you see the setup is being downloaded, then it will start the installation, and then finally the Snap will be available through the applications. So we'll have to check the below show applications option, and here you see it is going through the checks that verifies the installation. Now we will just wait for it to release the prompt and hit clear. Now go to applications, then scroll. Here you see Postman, and let's wait for it to open the application, and it will show you the desktop application where you get to use the Postman. So wait till it loads all the components on screen. You will have to create a free account and then log into Postman interface, right? And or you can also use skip and go to the app, right? Here you see the Postman is here. So you get the idea how to download and install Postman through Snapcraft Snap on Ubuntu.